This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Shisngi hadian ke jingmi ke jing pen inya ke bajur hapdang ki officer ke Shillong Municipal Board SMB bat ki nong di jing di harut surak bat lenti yat ke jat hakan dailan ki bam syamla tre ban weng ye ki dukan halor ke jing keno baka SMB kala let don bor bat pen ken ye ki kendon an nakal yang uba pol lingdo u menteri bari khmi ya ka tanat tourism ke sarkar jilla ula ai ke jing pen syai halor ke ni Habakran sekilat patai kubor hakan nok pai sengi jong kasitarik unai tung Hajar arpusan uba pol lingdo ulaong. Bakila dap banya syong jing lang bat kiba syong di jing di harut surak bat lenti yak kejat mentala shisna mai ai. Hakaban nakal yang jong Kyrwoh kila Mynjur yaki kendon ban Kynriah no yaki. Nalor kata ulaong ru bagi jaka ki bala pen biang yaki kilong ki bala bet la biang bha nalor ka sipo Hajar tingka kum kabai Kynriah hakaba kila don hadu kumba arspa ngut ki bala Mynjur Kynriah menta kimi pat kini ki jingjia.
There should not have been any standoff because we have engaged them in meaningful dialogue and discussions for the past 1 year. Several rounds of discussions have taken place. They have agreed to the conditions of their shifting, and now they are vending on the road, okay, where they do not have proper shelter. We have shifted them and given them also this offer of shifting allowance, 10,000 rupees per vendor, and they will go inside a building where they will get shelter, they will get facilities of drinking water, washroom facilities. All these have been given to them. And the terms and conditions in those discussions also saw the participation of leaders like from the NGOs. We had the KSU, we had the Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong, represented by Rabla. They all were part of this discussion. Now, when we come to the point of actually implementing the decisions of the town vending committee, suddenly somebody decides to backtrack. What do we do? So, and also the fact that 200 of them have agreed to shift, what does it imply? So these are things for which you need to do some research.
Habatin, pej bahaki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.